If you're trying to rank on YouTube by stuffing tags, tweaking titles, and praying to the algorithm gods, I have bad news. That strategy is already dying. And in 2026, it might actually be hurting your channel. Here's the scary part. You could be doing everything you were told, SEO tools, trending keywords, perfect descriptions, and YouTube might still decide your channel is irrelevant. Why? Because YouTube doesn't rank videos anymore. It ranks creators. And if the algorithm doesn't know who you are, your videos don't stand a chance. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll understand what YouTube is really looking for and why most new channels never recover once they mess this up. Yes, even if the content is good. Let's talk about the real ranking factor. Authority, not subscribers. Not thumbnails, not tags. Authority means YouTube seeing you as a specialist, not a random creator. Think about it like this. If your channel talks about one topic today, a different one tomorrow, and something trending next week, YouTube gets confused. And a confused algorithm is a dangerous algorithm. Here's where most people panic and say, so what? I'll just use better keywords. Bad move. When you stuff unrelated tags or chase trending terms, YouTube starts showing your video to the wrong audience. People scroll past, CTR drops, watch time collapses, and the algorithm quietly decides, yeah, let's not push this channel. Quick pattern interrupt, brutal question. Would you click a video that has nothing to do with what you usually watch? Exactly. Now here's the twist most creators miss. YouTube doesn't just look at your videos. It looks at who watches them. If you share your video with friends, family, or random groups who don't care about your niche, you're feeding the algorithm bad data. You think you're helping. You're actually sabotaging yourself. But here's where it gets interesting. YouTube is changing how people consume content. More viewers are watching on TVs. Longer videos. Slower pacing. Background listening. Fast, chaotic editing. It's losing power. And in the age of AI, where millions of channels look the same, YouTube needs one thing to decide who wins. Clear identity. One topic. One audience. One message everywhere. When your videos, descriptions, and even external platforms all point to the same niche, YouTube stops guessing. That's when impressions grow. That's when ranking becomes easier. That's when the algorithm works with you, not against you. Final cliffhanger thought. The creators who win in 2026 won't be the ones who hack YouTube. They'll be the ones who make it painfully obvious who they are. And if you get that wrong early, the algorithm remembers forever.